Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Tuesday, October 31. For the record, today is Monday, October 30. Time is around 7:15 p.m. GMT. So in the NASDAQ, here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and yeah, we had some reaction from here. Not very surprising, I would say, in the sense that we are at major resistance, and also here we have kind of a structure who looks complete, at least complete, as 5 waves, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now it looks like we have some corrective price action right here, some upsides, but for the moment not really impulsive compared to the drop we had earlier. So therefore, because we only have limited data here, not really clear structure, I think there are still two scenarios here, two valid scenarios. First, so if we finished 5 waves down from here, from this high, so we are doing this WXY correction, that would be the main expectation. Then here we could have a wave A down in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we could see upside as a wave B. And then we should go into this area right here. If we take the length of the wave A, this looks finished now. Then here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the area where we should go as a wave B. Now, there is also a possibility that we are doing this wave Y down here as a WXY structure, and that would actually be like the fastest way to complete this structure. And then that would mean that we are having our wave X here. So we came down in 3 right here, 1, 2, 3, wave W, wave X. We almost reached the target area and then came down. But now I would label this as a wave A, giving the impulsive structure. So this would be better as something like this here, because we have an impulse as our first wave. Yeah, so this looks like 5 waves, so therefore this is more a wave A than a wave W, of course. And then we could be doing a wave B up right here. So if we take the length of this wave A, then here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the area where we should go as a wave B. And then once in this area, we can see further downside again as an impulse as a wave C, which should bring us into this area right here. And this area we can find by taking the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, and then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is our target area as a wave Y, and then that would actually also mean the end of this wave Y and the end of our wave 4. So unfortunately, in the lower time frame, a structure here that does not give us much information, it would also make sense. Yeah, wave B structures can be quite messy. For now, the only thing that I see is this looks looks finished, like be it as a wave 5, be it as a wave A. This looks like an finished impulse, so it makes sense to have now some corrective upside. And so this looks like an important swing. This here, and then I would say, yeah, this can be 1, 2, followed by 3, 4, 5 as a wave A, B, C. Like this can also be WXY structure in 3. We simply do not have enough data yet, but I would assume that we are now doing some kind of corrective move up, be it as a wave B right here, or be it as a wave B as shown in this scenario. So hopefully tomorrow a bit more data so that we can define some more concrete targets, or make at least a decision between this scenario or this scenario. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.